like cash cans. And if they talking back, I just give them the backhand. Think I work for Apple the way I give them the Mac, man. Only partially ballin', motherfuckers Pac-Man. Goddamn, I'm just playing. Don't pay attention to what I'm saying. Everything just a part of my plan. Cause really I ain't shit, I'm just a man. Chillin' in my city, spending money like Diddy, hundreds and fifties. I'm spitting gritty while you sitting pretty. Who fucking with me? First name Bobby, but I spit that crack like I was Whitney. Started as a hobby, but who knew back then what this shit would get me? And now they all up on the scrotum. The second I told them these lyrics I wrote them, acting like I owed them. Not a lot of people understand my words cause I wrote them. Now these bitches give me the top of the totem and got me to break it down. I feel like I'm breaking down till I hit the mic and cook up the shit that I'm making now. Kinda like Quentin Tarantino, who's only built for Cuban links. We Gambinos at the casino, blowing my nose with a C-note. Some people call me Robert cause I'm all about the dinero. You talk a lot of shit, that's why you sound like a culero. You fucking battle, my lyricism is fatal, mendejo. All up in my business while I'm just trying to get the queso. Life is about the peso, in English that means the money. And if your buzz is as big as mine, you'll get all the honeys like. Every time I think I gotta go, cause if you see it, you gotta know, bitches, they only care about the flow, come on, you know how the story go, every time I think I gotta go, cause if you see, then you gotta know. Man, I knew this thing would happen, I ain't stressing, I ain't worried about it. I've been on a mission, I've been repping, now you heard about it. People always talking, they be talking, never know their place. I was on the job and I was mobbing, had to show my face. Always been a mama's boy, now I count them commas, boy. Got it when she needed, baby, call that perfect timing, boy. Burning like a candle, getting higher than Sopranos. We been down since the beginning with that drum and that piano down. Shout out to my baby boys, daddy making noise, daddy working, daddy love you, I be back to play with toys, yeah. Don't get it mistaken, I've been planning for all the stars. We gon' finish what we started. I said this one's for the nights we crave the dream we follow. Gunning for tomorrow, we gon' make them all say bravo tonight, 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 tonight. Gunning for tomorrow, we gon' make them all say bravo tonight, 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 tonight. Gunning for tomorrow, we gon' make them all say bravo. So we got our eyes on the prize, eyes blindfolded, soft spoken, trying to stay all dead. Rose petals broken, wound stays open. If time heals, I'll keep the ball rolling. My destiny, no Kelly rolling. Short-handed crew, no Gary Coleman. Swear it's a long way home from the end of the road, but the road was carefully chosen for that room for the Beyonce's. Decade on Beyonce. High reps, I'm pushing gold plates, I'm pushing my faith, I'm playing my cards. Right, cause life without risk ain't living. Maximize the blessings you're giving. Karma's a bitch, sins unforgiven. They all just beginners, this be our beginning. I'm just trying to find my melody, they sent me on my way. All these uphills and downtime, I've learned from my mistakes. Say to leave the clock running, I tell them it's my time. What's a past with no phantoms? What's a journey with no climb? So I said this one's for the years that made us who we are. Gunning for the stars, we gon' finish what we started. I said this one's for the nights we crave the dream we follow. Gunning for tomorrow, we gon' make them all say bravo tonight, 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 tonight. Gunning for tomorrow, we gon' make
wings, my open scars, lost hopes, my broken heart. I never thought I'd get this far, but now I'm pulling out this card. Broke out of my lost soul, I gained passion and made art. They told me, Derek, you'll never make it. I never listened, I kept on. Low key, I feel confident, cause we popping off with no honors list. People told me no education, these blank stares, but with dedication, I swear to God, we'll be celebrating, be high level, destined for greatness. I ain't never gave a damn about what people saying. I just do this cause I got like nothing else. Put the weight up on my shoulders, truly I can show you hell. But I'm never gonna melt, cause you ain't felt what I have felt. And if you did, then you would know that there is truly nothing else. I'll just try and try again, I'll never stop and don't pretend. Just need a pen, a pencil pad, whatever I can use to script. And from there I'll show you everything and anything I am. Just take a look, this is me, I don't got no other plans. Listen.
So guys, I'm going to be ending the video soon. As I say in all my videos, check out Mobizen Rec. These are the screen recorders I use. But I use Mobizen the most because I think that's the best. I don't know, I barely even use Rec as if I'm on my dad's phone. So yeah, I will be posting a video on Monday, hopefully, in school. So I'm going to be with all my friends and stuff. I brought my phone into school today. And by the way, guys, go and check my Instagram, Archie_B13. We're trying to hit 200 followers at the moment. We've got 110. So yeah, follow me as soon as possible. What was I going to say now? I hate when I forget stuff. So yeah. Leave a like, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Toodaloo.